I'm dying to plus verb is used to say that you want to do something so much that you don't want to wait. Examples: I'm dying to get home and take a hot shower. I'm dying to get out of here. I'm dying to see my mom. I'm dying to eat. I'm very hungry. I'm dying to watch the new movie at the cinema. I'm dying to know the result of the competition. I'm dying to free myself out of this problem. I'm dying to finish my homework so I can watch my favorite TV series. I'm dying to meet my newborn nephew. I'm dying to buy my dream car.